Hello, my viewers. Got the toilet in. It was quite a process, but it's in. So it's just kind of a way I had to assemble it. Just kind of show you picture by picture. And it actually works. There it goes. Oh, well, that is a huge achievement for me today. And of course, I'm setting up some kind of housekeeping here where I got a shower curtain, okay, for my shower. Let's see, I guess I could cover the breaker panel yet. Okay, also got a microwave oven so that I can do some, light cooking. I got a small refrigerator I'm going to bring here for now. That'll help me a lot. So here I am. I'm needing to put the cover on my breaker panel here. There's a few things here I didn't care too much for already. Just looking at this cover. First of all, this rivet here, okay, is broken. Right out of the box, broken, okay? And I can't really doubt that I'd be able to take it back because I've had this for a while. This has probably been returned anyway. I'm wondering, you see these two knockouts here? Why are these out? Okay, why? I don't know. Now, okay, this I understand almost because it's for your main breaker, okay, for the panel. Why are these two out? I don't get it. That's going to be messing me up because I do not have breakers at the very top. So I'm going to have to get a plug for this this panel cover. See, that just messes me up. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and remove the knockouts that I need to remove, okay, off camera, because I can't hold the camera and do this at the same time, and I'll be right back. So there it is. The cover's in place. Just sort of makes me unhappy that I have to get a cover for, for this blank here. And naturally, I'm going to have to mark these breakers, but not today. I have to get going here. But I did do some things here, I think. That's an accomplishment, I think that I did do a few things here. Got some things going: toilet, shower curtain, microwave oven. I think tomorrow I'll bring the refrigerator that'll go over there. And then work on getting the stove in here. Of course, I'm going to be putting another countertop, a countertop will be going right here though too. Naturally, along with these drawers here. So we just have to work on that, get that going. That's in the process. Well, anyway, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. You don't have to like the video, but I always like it when you subscribe and comment.